17th of October.
Okay.
Yashano. Bring the document on Monday. One farmer, the Sampa Traditional Council should bring the document.
Okay.
All right? And then whether one farmer, one for he'll be gazetted. So today, finality and authority and vindication has been given to Ashanti-Man, and today, to let Samgba Gyafla has been vindicated that indeed he's a true overlord of Sampa Traditional Council.
Dimayao, Abusia, I ADUMASA TV, but more than subscribe to media, no share media, no sama unia, enya bi a share. Facebook ADUMASA online, YouTube so ADUMASA TV, TikTok, and so ADUMASA TV. And ne, ekoko PM ewe Kumasi High Court. Court the one when said ADUMASA TV ko PM or court the say Sampa won sensem kwan be fa so de be gazette ye na Samgba Gyafla se Sampa man hene. Asemi ba ya twe ne sere ne abasa ekwobono original house of chief ekwo Sumiane High Court ba na ekwo nkan ne be wie wo Kumasi a yenduru anom mranimfo ne temuafo atena asemi su sa bobo ho aba besi ene dai eye kita wonsa bosomi ene me ne wo kase ya 18th ne de toso edunwatwe ene dai yekopie mu court a court ahye ye nana Dormaahene ne bono original house of chief eye 7 previous registrar wo no amakonadu se won fa CD forms na enko National House of Chief ejuwa dekita wonsa bosom ya toso aduonu baako yempon no nsia mo na adwuma nko na wieye no na forms na National House of Chief ayako gazette ye na Samgba Gyafla se Sampa man hene na se anya sanso a ene Nana ADUMASA, the acting president of Sampa Traditional Council, one for CD forms no enko national near fire Nana Samgba Gyafla nko ni enko gazette ne se Sampa man hene. Ye copy mu court no sei ene kokosi ye ntiemra.
Odaroma bia boko.
Then again is your court.
Odaroma amje yemfa akwanye na ye Cheira Ashanti-Man, the president of the Ashanti Nation. Time and again we keep on telling the Ghanaian people that there's an authority in this country. And so when someone speaks, he speaks in an authority. And so today we came to the court in the authority and under authority of the Ashanti-Man auspices. And so clearly we were here to let the Ghanaian people know, say, Ampa, Ashanti-Man, Asama, Ana, Anamutu Ashanti-Man, 2 years, or 2 Amana Efe. And the court, no, Asamukina, Sampa, in Semna, no, our Janaye, our Kayano. Court, no, Ashe, the Bun Regional House of Chief, that as of Monday, they should submit the document. They should submit the document. Which regional house of chief? The Bono Regional House of Chief. The High Court. All right? Yeah. And then they should submit the document. So man submit the document, the Sampa Traditional Council should do that authority and submit the document to the National House of Chief and for them to work on it. So today, finality and authority and vindication has been given to Ashanti-Man, and today, to let Samgba Gyafla has been vindicated that indeed he's a true overlord of Sampa Traditional Council. That is the position of the court today. And it's over. It's over. It's over. Well, it has been sealed. And this is the authority of the law. And nothing can be done. It's not by anybody. Nobody have authority in this country. The law is the authority. It is the law is the authority, not Rana Kasa. Who are you to say you not submit yourself to the law? Everybody must submit himself to the law. And that is why we say he's the overlord. All right? And Otumfo and Ashanti-Man will continue to be great. Your Ashanti is a nation on its own. We have our own rules and regulation and authority, time and again. Ashanti-Man, Kasa, no Kasa. And for that matter, you can sit on social media and speak whatever you want to speak. But if you think you don't believe it, you come to court. We've come to court. And court has vindicated everybody. And that's it. And finality. And it's over.
And President the appointment, the High Court judges or Moko appeals court. Another man in the home. The benefit effects be on cases.
Oh well, for now, court naka, but of course, you want appointing ADUMASA to the appeal court. Well, your man, we thank your man in Tinkwa, right? Your man in Tinkwa, you appointing. But the question therefore is, Obia said we want misconducting no home. What is it? With the greater respect, I need them now. Brasimu. Emja anamuntu awatu no krumanet and send for that time. Ebi say ebina contempt. Eno masha ne say enti wa fomra. It is a wadaruma obi wa fomra na say bi mo san say no kutupa na wo ko promote no say onko the appeal court. It's like it's an insult to the Ghanaian people. But of course, the president had the right to appoint. President no 2 missions appointed, but the fact that you have the right to appoint We equally are Ghanaians. You have the right to think, and we feel that what you are going to do is a disrespect to the Ghanaian people, because he has shown disrespect to the Ghanaian people. He has shown disrespect to the law. Time and again, I say, court can't say, and today the court understand. And so clearly, we leave it to the conscience of the Ghanaian people. Ghana for Mona Monka. Whatever happened, so be it. We leave it to the Ghanaian people to think. And we will not say anything, as much as the president has the right. At the end of the day, it's the Ghanaian people who think. We leave it to the people.
Now, Jidi said, Dormaahene, and nice be soon at the Biano Castle be book out to Masonana.
Only to me, he was just trying to mislead the people, and today there is the authority. He has no authority, but of course he was misleading the people. You can choose to mislead, but when finality, or when people who are rational take you on, and that is what to let Samordua Gyafla, who is a man of rational, who is a man of reasoning, and who believe in the law. All right, at the end of the day, took him on, and he has exposed him that indeed he has no authority. And today the law have exposed him that you, the fact that you are the president of the Bon Regional House of Chief, you have no authority to sit down and make a determination. So therefore, you have been ordered to do what is right. And so therefore, he has been exposed today.
Now an appeals court judge, when him say, Obenya influence, be their maneuver more documents.
Oh no, it's over. It's over. That's over. We are not going to entertain him anymore. It's over. We are not going to entertain him anymore. I think we end it here. We want to tell the people of this country that it's over. And Asante Man has won. And to let Samordua Gyafla has won. And for that matter, that's it. It's over. Yes. I think we should end it here. All right? Right.
Aside documents on submitting contempt, it
has been deferred to 17th of October.
Okay.
Yashano. Bring the document on Monday. One farmer, the Sampa Traditional Council should bring the document. Okay. All right? And then whether one farmer, he'll be gazetted. If you oba on the October 17th, no bete, Sebi Asundia, court no woman.
So next court sitting
there for judgment. Ah, Sebi, you be punished, no. All right, if indeed he's a man of he's a man of somebody who believe in the law, and he is a rational man, and so court, probably is a key that they are trying to give you. They want to show you respect. Do what is right. Do the needful. Probably before you come for the judgment. Sebi utu anamutu. I say fata na ba na sebi ye ka judgment court me hu mo bo pampa court no kan sebi utu asan mu tan kra na afi ye kan say ye san show biem say Monday ana fam ba Sampa Traditional Council en famra no sebi onu hu na so na o sha na o sha won say ampa, you see that the law is the law.
Now court away processes now unjin say 3 months is too much time for judgment.
No sebi wadaroma sana mranite here wadaroma ho brashim anya hwe ye nyamre Yamanyamre. Sabi Chief Justice try no. This is a try now, or no so new be a bit me try no. And so as long as they are trying the Chief Justice, he is equally triable. And so he must show respect to the law. And he Shana court now can what Dormaahene who brush him.
Okay, would you this 17th no Dormaahene beba?
Wamo, court in the shower, the law you tell you, Sebi, what Dormaahene on say officer Sebi will be to me. And there should be one of the also for bad time be no man. What I say, my mission will be same run. So it tells you that the law is can work, okay. And so everybody can be charged. Okay. What you say? Into be and you be. What you say?
So
it tells you no, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to tell you, say the TBA and running bit me be. What I say? Into it doesn't matter. What I say? What Daroma?
Your final words to Sampa minus and
yeah, can say the kind of home. Na sebi se ne be ya mpumtuo nkoso ebeba santiman be bia sebi ye nyina interest obi ano na nyina ediye. That's the most important thing, and that is what we have to fight for, and that's what we have to canvass for.
Okay, thank you.
Abusuya ene Sampa sansam ene kokotie ba no we ya mass ya grace I want so Sampa Mahine tole Samordua Gyafla wono a ne de hie mu ne wo fa se ni mpon a wono so ben wo ye de hie broni potoka se be kan say he is from the royal family too ono ene kokotie ne eba en ti CD forms no obi a wonte ase bia ne customary declaration a ye de call National House of Chief ne akọ gazette ye Nana Samordua Gyafla eno sa kata ne na ekọ National House of Chief akọ maintaining records of chieftaincy matters. eno na ekuko gina am ye hu se na Samgba Gyafla krata we di adanse ye se di agazete no na aban a wote so oni se sampa we ene wo hene na ahensam ye nka no court ahensam ye nka ahensam bia wo court age se ba gazette na National House of Chief die ntia na Dormaahene ebebe pie mu e wo ye sampa issue we mu ni nyina ne se sampa ye nyina nim se e wo bono mpatemu on nti ne wo se amane ne amamre kwan so ana se chieftaincy act ne makwan se ansa ne ye be gazette wo bi no customary declaration forms ne wo se kokofa regional house of chief ohene kro se wo ye man hene wo ye brempon no forms ne kokofa regional honom nanso anim tie buo na sebimpredua sagimu je ne wonim de wo pe nti no ene o ma forms yi da ho na won fanya dai enko nanso ne ye kokopie mu no na court ahyese yemfa CD forms enfanko National House of Chief by the close of Monday 21st July na eye amakonedu bono regional House of Chief am registrar na the forms no akwa kopiem e National House of Chief na se wantie wanya asutie ama asemi ana court nsem omode ababetu dwane de a je na kodwo masa wono ne hwan wono ene ye the president of Sampa Traditional Council ye beka se the acting president sanse Sampa man no ye nya gazette ye na Samgba Gyafla no oban ana oman mu ni nyina enyine ntum se sebi wono ne Sampa man hene nanso ahensam ne adehesam de ye yi no a ebusuan na yi no wa besuan ba bi ye wo se obedan obesuan se Sampa man hene enti nyankopon ye yadom a ojoada nyame ya adumwa ne behwe baby asusai de bode hono be fa so omde be call so omfa nko omde ko omfa nko the acting president of Sampa Traditional Council Nana Kodwomasa the CD forms no ebeko National House of Chief ni akwako gazette ye Nana Samgba Gyafla se Sampa man hene na afensu so animtie buo Nana Dormaahene and the Bono Regional House of Chief, the vice ne, the secretary, no more the contempt case, no, or no, there 2 aqua share on the 17th of October this year. Na enimtiebu a Dormaahene ebu court no yakọ na content e wose kwa na kwache no de aban na wose kwan aban de ne faso no yakọtena so on the 17th of October 2025 na aban no de ode beye no ode aye no enti Sampa Traditional Council atadwufo wa yenso so yate de ne wa santeman mu Ejuada kita wonsa bosom ye womi ye de toso aduonu ba ko 21st July ye ko ne akwa kopiem wo National House of Chief se eye amakonadu Bono Regional House of Chief am registrar ene de ba se eye the acting president of Sampa Traditional Council Nana Kodwomasa na de ba ni nyina mu no ye se ye ko ne akwa ko gazette ye Nana Samgba Gyafla na abusia we ya desrede allegedly yate say ye Nana Dormaahene, His Excellency the first gentleman of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, or Baba Peja emrenim for me who say nipa duonu ba ko na wo mayi no agimu je ne Dormaahene o ka ho bi na say ye besre yewura Ghana man pani onimonyamfo e be makokodufo Kwame John Dramani Mahama wada roma ebunu Say Nana Dormaahene eka sa enkrofo ya wo ba be peja wo modo makọ Supreme Court amakoye mranimfo anatemuafo ne dia ene na obegina Sampa case yi so esan se court ashemra wabuso ena nanum nsem bi so a wo kaye se wono obekum nipa am wakwakodem ama domafo ba beyi no saa sebimpredua samranimfo nkasa saa wono na de mrane ba be ye adwuma na obi ode mrane ba be ye adwuma timika so bekum nipa in the first place next court shemra na obebuso ena obia so ni court bia so ni obeka asem obetie da ampa so wantie Sampa case ya bobo mu ayemfa document CD forms nko saa be si ne ene ye ka ho saa de ene ye hu ni se Dormaahene wo de Ghana mra no anim atwitwu form ti nipa duonu ba ko ye be ya ye nyini frim ni dibre se judge kura ne be ya ka enyim firi nsem se de be ya di asomdwe bebre bono ne mpatem ne se de be ya Ghana be fa no ntoma pa e di efranti wei aya de sreje allegedly ye de yate na se wo ka ho de a ye be sre the first gentleman of the Republic of Ghana John Dramani Mahama His Excellency se Nana Dormaahene wo de ne ka ho bia enye yie na ngina so a ye so ye gina so aka kire so de ne ka ho enye yie ne kire se wono wana no muto judge wo so bekum nipa ye de ne mani dibra enye yie judge ya wo so court shemra obebuso ye mani dibra enye yie judge ya wo se court bia ni Ghana ha be kas mo metie ampa ya ka wantie no ye mani dibra enye yie enti yesre eye Ghana man pani His Excellency John Dormaahene Mahama say obeyi Dormaahene ede na sinche na mranimfo wo mo de mra ne ye adwuma e wo man Ghana mu no ye de wo makọ ne akwakobo wo mabaso no maso wo man Ghana ne temamufu wo man Ghana nim aha ADUMASA TV bo mo de subscribe jumadi no wa share jumadi no ama onia enya bi ahye Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all the social media handles who ADUMASA media or hono follow and subscribe na share jumadi no ema onia o yika heba bites ono ene simanim I was so me plenty pia me take come me de ene de kosi wo ye Kumasi High Court concerning ya na Samgba Gyafla ne gazette ho sensem no o yika ho bi woni mfedu nwotwe amfa sanka wo ba wo fafuro wo nka ho wa ma abofra no fo wadaroma onumbia enye yie medin e de aduana de hye bedi akon akram